Join us in this cozy space where we explore the mind's every trace. Let's chat, relax, and drink a cup of tea. Let's dive into all topics and let your mind be free. From anxiety to happiness and
Well, it starts with a growth spurt in the limbic system, which controls emotions and rewards. This explains why teenagers often experience intense emotions and seek thrilling experiences. Then, the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and impulse control, begins to develop. It's not fully mature until our mid-20s. During adolescence, the brain undergoes a significant transformation. This period, often referred to as a brain growth spurt, is characterized by rapid changes in the structure and function of the brain. But what exactly is happening inside those teenage minds? One key aspect of teenage brain development is the pruning and rewiring of neural connections. Think of it as a sort of brain remodeling project. The brain eliminates unnecessary connections between neurons while strengthening the ones that are frequently used. This process allows for more efficient and streamlined communication within the brain. Imagine a garden where the gardener selectively trims away the overgrown branches, allowing the beautiful flowers to bloom and flourish. Similarly, the teenage brain prunes away unnecessary neural connections, allowing the essential ones to thrive. Now, let's talk about the prefrontal cortex, the region of the brain responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and reasoning. This area undergoes significant development during adolescence. However, it's not fully matured until the mid-20s. This might explain why teenagers sometimes struggle with making rational decisions and controlling their impulses. Picture a driver learning to navigate the winding roads of life. The teenage brain is like a learner driver, still acquiring the skills necessary for smooth and controlled navigation. It takes time and practice to develop that finesse. But what about the statistics surrounding teenage brain development? Well, studies have shown that the brain's grey matter, which includes the nerve cell bodies, goes through a process called synaptic pruning, where the brain eliminates unnecessary neural connections to become more efficient. And interestingly, the brain's reward center becomes highly active, which is why teens are more prone to risk-taking behaviors. In fact, it's estimated that the brain eliminates about 50% of the synapses during adolescence. Quite a remarkable transformation, wouldn't you agree? Now let's consider the impact of these developmental changes on one's mental health. The teenage years are a time of heightened vulnerability to mental health issues. Conditions such as anxiety, depression, and mood disorders can often emerge or intensify during this period. Why is that, you may wonder? Well, the combination of hormonal changes, social pressures, and the ongoing brain development can create a perfect storm for mental health challenges. It's like a delicate balancing act on a tightrope. Sometimes the brain may struggle to find its equilibrium, leading to emotional turbulence. Imagine a roller coaster ride through a maze of emotions. The teenage brain might experience exhilarating highs and daunting lows as it navigates the twists and turns of adolescence. But fear not, for with proper support and understanding, these challenges can be overcome.